Hey everyone, this is SDR Sapien. Today, you never pull a firearm. This is a BG10LX. It goes firearms up there, another one over there, another one over to Everlock, there, over there, and over here. So you never pull firearms. I'll go to the firearms. There's a CIMS2. I can see that. I can't see that very well. The firearms there's a system sensor spectroller advance. There's a Simplex 4251-20. So exit sign 50 got me this from later when I was at his house. Okay, that's why there's a firearm up there. We never pull a firearm. So I'm gonna end the video now. You want to find us on YouTube.com. I see you later.